In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a faceless video using Pictory AI. With this amazing tool, you can bring your scripts to life with visuals, audio, and text elements. So let's dive in. To begin, open up Pictory AI by clicking the link in the description below. Create an account or log in with your existing account. Once you're in, click on the Proceed button under the Script to Video tool. Enter the name of your video and start typing or pasting your script using Ctrl+V. Don't have a script yet? No worries! We can use the power of ChatGPT to generate a script for you. Go to ChatGPT by opening a separate web browser or clicking on the link in the description. Log in or continue with your Google account. Ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube video script about any topic you'd like. I'll use headache as an example. Wait for the script generating process to complete. Review the script provided by ChatGPT. If you're satisfied, copy the entire script and paste it into Pictory AI, and remove any unnecessary text that doesn't belong in the script. In the Scene Settings section, you can undo the Auto Highlight keywords if you prefer to highlight keywords manually. However, leave the Auto Visuals selection active, as it allows AI to choose visuals based on your script. Once you're done with script settings, click on Proceed. Choose a template for your video and select an aspect ratio based on where you'll be using your video. Wait for the AI to finish the preparation process. On the editing page, you'll see the Story section on the left side, where your script is divided into multiple scenes. Click on a scene to edit the script. On the right side of your screen, you can also double-click the script on the Preview section to edit the script. To change the visuals for each scene, go to the Visuals tab. Search for keywords related to your script and click on the visuals you prefer to replace them. Head to the Audio tab to add background music to your video. Pictory AI offers a vast selection of tracks. Scroll down and choose the track that fits your video. You can also set the mood, purpose, genre, and duration to select the specific background music. Click Apply to add the background music. To add it to your favorite lists, just click the heart symbol beside it. For voiceover, click on the voiceover above. Scroll through the available options and select a voiceover that suits your video. Set the accent, age, purpose, and gender for a specific voiceover. Click Apply to add the voiceover. To add it to your favorite list, just click the heart symbol beside it. In the Text tab, you can add headings, subheadings, and body text for your scenes. Click on the text in the Preview section and edit it using the tools that appear above. You can change the font, size, design, position, color, and background color of the text. Save your changes as a style or apply them to all scenes. If you want to add extra elements like emojis, GIFs, or stickers, head to the Elements tab. If you change your mind about the aspect ratio, go to the Format tab and select a different one. To add transitions between scenes, find the box between the scenes in the Preview section. Click it and choose a transition. If you want the same transition for all scenes, click the box again and select the 3 boxes in the pop-up tool. Click the Preview button in the top right corner to see how your video looks. Once you're satisfied with your video, click the Download button in the top right corner, then select Video, and wait for the preparation process to finish. Finally, click the Download button, then save your video.